soy candle and our wax melting spoon. The melting spoon is really handy for melting bead style sealing wax, small pieces of sealing wax, even those with wick. For my demonstration, what I would like to do is cut a piece of our jewel glue gun sealing wax. I don't feel like committing a whole stick to my glue gun right now. I just want to make one seal. So just taking my regular craft scissors, I can easily cut a piece. I would say maybe that's about 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. Somewhere in there will give you exactly what you need. I'm going to place that in the barrel of the spoon, the scoop of the spoon, and heat it over a heat source. You could use the flame on your gas stove. You could use a heat tool, heat gun. I like to use our soy candle for heating this up because the soy doesn't create any soot on the bottom of the spoon, so it doesn't have the potential of getting soot in your finished seal. Now as the spoon starts to heat up, the wax will start to melt. I can just stir around. This is a great way to combine colors, make your own color. If you put 2 sticks side by side and just let them melt, and then taking your toothpick, you could swirl the colors together. You could do a lot of effects with just melting in a small batch like this. There. I just have a small little bit inside here. And as soon as that's soft, okay. I'd say that's roughly thick honey. Yeah, I don't want it too runny. It'll just run all over the envelope and not stay where I want it to stay. So now with this handy dandy pouring spout, I can just pour it exactly where I want it to be. The long handle and the spoon help keep my hand away from the flame, and the steel ladle of the spoon does not soften as it heats up. I'm just going to set that on a paper towel. And checking the orientation of my seal, I just stamp straight down and let it cool. Now for cleanup, I just want to heat up my spoon. Make sure that's hot, and I'll just take a paper towel and push my hand right in there and wipe it around, clean right up. Might take a couple tries, but there. All clean, ready for my next color.